This Monginis burger. So this is actually seems like exactly after a year I'm having this burger because it was around this time only when I last had it because it was during November. So let's see 1 year what has been changed in Monginis. Okay. So wow, this is how it is. I mean, there was patty earlier. I mean, full patty. Now it's broken. Now it is very soft. And since like they've changed a lot of things, and mayonnaise here. Okay, what else? Okay, mayonnaise and this much. This looks like KFC thing. Wow, smell is really awesome. I mean, aroma. Mm, it feels like Domino's pizza barbecue chicken, something like that. It's good. I like the normal, rounded, unbroken. Bun is soft. This chicken little tastes like chicken claws earlier when it was sold in Monginis, and taste have been changed.